Wow, look at this. Look how flat that is, look folks. This what was Bonny Street Market. A lot of rough sleepers around here as well. This is where the old joke shop used to stand. Good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I was in town. I thought, well, while I'm here, I haven't been up to the old police station site for a long time. I spring round, we got the prison toilets. That's what Blackpool Bell would call them. Dear, the times we live in. Anyway, I thought we'd have a look around and see what's going on, and see if I've heard it's almost finished now up at the at Bonny Street. So we're going to have a look, shall we? I thought we'd go and see where the old joke shop used to be before we go to Bonny Street. We can see the bus station here. I used to get the old National Express coach down to see my family down to Norwich. As a 12-hour journey it used to be. I do it on the train, so it's a lot cheaper. Only takes half the time. So yeah, I thought, well, I haven't been here for a long time around this area, folks. The King Edward Apartments just ahead of me. I'll get them a bit closer in a minute. Part of the road closed here, look. Making a little one-way street. Well, go along here first, I think, anyway. The road closed off, this part of the road here, and the pavement. And you can see the King Edward Apartments across the way there. They've still got the black hoarding up. So there's so many old shops there. I know one of them used to be a barber's. Let's go around the back and see how they're getting on. You can see it's still tarmacked over now, folks. This is where the old joke shop used to stand. Some odd 50 odd years. Wow. They put a big black gate up here now. Stop you getting in here. Kids messing around, I suppose. From what I can see of it, look like they're finished here now. For the time being, anyway. They've tidied up the back here. But those broken windows, though, wow. Shoo. Yeah. Just about every window of that building is broken. Shame, really. Anyway, we'll go around to Bonny Street, see what's going on there. The main central car park. Coral Island across the way there. Runs along Bonny Street. Golden Mile Amusements. The back off. We'll get to Bonny Street in a minute. In the meantime, let's go and see what we can find over here, folks. Wow. Look at this. They put this huge black fence up here now. I haven't seen this before. Because on that piece there, in front of me, you could actually stand there. But not anymore. I suppose you could get through there. Probably get soon told off. I wonder why they've done that at this later stage of developments. That's its most strange, that is, folks. Anti-YouTuber fencing. Well, they've come a long way since January, haven't they? fence. Look how flat that is over there, look. That is where the police station stood. Wow. And the magistrates' courts. That piece of land is flattened. I don't quite know what's going on here, folks, this part. Looks like they're making a mud bath. Well, I'm not sure what the time frame is on this now. That's Bonny Street's supposed to be opened middle of August. It's now mid-September. It's been opened a month ago. I do believe the site manager's gone now onto another job. I think his name was Pat. Well, can't get over this black fencing though. Wow. Strange. I suppose they keep cars there when they eventually remove all the plant gear. People will be parking on here, won't they? Unofficially. I don't know. Let's go around to Bonny Street and have a look anyway. Well, this is a good vantage point. Look at this. Oh wow. More black fencing there. Wow, look at this. Look how flat that is, look folks, wow. Absolutely amazing. You wouldn't really have thought anything was stood on there, would you? A couple of more weeks I went up completely flattened. And they were shipped out of here. DSM has done a great job, they really have. Absolutely top notch. A nice friendly bunch as well. Well folks, this what was Bonny Street Market. Have you heard? You probably heard from other YouTubers and their channels, in the press, on Facebook, etc. There's talk about bringing Bonny Street Market back again next season. It'd be great for Blackpool economy. Fantastic. We're going to have a look at that in a minute anyway. As I was saying, I've been here for a long time now. There's all fencing here now. They've got this piece fenced off, look, for some reason. Danger keep out. Yeah. Oh wow. And needs some renovating this with all these weeds and plants and stuff. I have mentioned it numerous times on my vlogs, and other YouTubers have said it as well. But here's just to be the old central station. This is part of the original wall here, look folks. The original train station, central train station. Closed, I believe it was 1964 when it was shut. I was about 3 years old. Let's go a little bit further up Bonny Street now. Quite sure why it's all been fenced off. So Bonny Street should be open by now. I have noticed, folks, that the this side of Bonny Street, the black fencing has come down, and that's completely open now. I'll get a bit closer look for you in a minute. So your new central car park there, multi-storey. Been there a couple of years and needs no introduction. So the step I was going to go up there, but I don't think I will now. This is where the bridge was. Bonny Street Bridge, just here. Used to go right over to the police station. Let's go up these steps. Don't think I'll get much further because of the fence here. A lot of rough sleepers around here as well. Yeah. Can be a bit of dodge up here. There's old lift shafts. There you go. Oh my God, that's a drop and a half, isn't it? I think these gates will be here for some time, if not forever. I can get more camera through there. It's where the old police station used to stand. Do excuse the bars. Oh, good vantage point from here. Sorry about that. Yeah, this half, 3/4 of it is all dark. It's completely flat. Well, I just wonder when this road's going to be open. There's absolutely no need for it to be shut now. There's no danger from falling debris, is there really? Well, maybe they're going to open it when they're completely cleared away. I don't think it'll be long. Probably by end of September, beginning October, I reckon they'll be all gone. Here, folks, they've taken away the old, the black fencing, the big black fencing.
Everybody.
Sorry about that.
Two at the back.
I think you've got a caller behind me.
4 wins, 4 prizes up for grabs now.
I walked in here so I'm not
It's on the red.
I can talk a little bit.
18 is your first number. Yellow 30930.
Pete's got a high voice today.
Yellow 3 and 9 39. Yellow 3 and 7 37.
So they're taking away all the black fencing
48.
and replaced it with this Harris fencing.
Two on the red. White 70, white 17. England number 17. White 17. Dolphin number 17.
I feel spots of rain. I'm not a bit worried. I have got a raincoat with me. But I don't really want to get wet. I don't have to. This is easier to film actually. Just put the camera through there and happy days. Look at that. You'd never think that there's a 30-storey building sat in there, would you? Police station, magistrates courts, etc. Well, police stations moved out about 6-7 years ago. They got a brand new one out of town in Mearside, if anybody know where Mearside is, who don't live in Blackpool. I believe they have a police counter in the town where the council buildings are in the town centre. See a police out in force today, rounding up all the beer monsters, so they should really. Main gate was just about here. The main gate, folks, the big black main gate's gone. Wow. So they're concentrating on this half. I'd say they've probably got about a quarter left to do. Well, they come a long way since January, haven't they? I was going up on the bridge, but to be fair, it's starting to rain. I'm trying to wrap this vlog up very soon. I have covered most of the area from the ground. As you know, there's another gate here. Back there's the main gate, there's another secondary gate. There's still quite a lot of valuable equipment in there, so they're going to have to keep it secure. I would have thought they would have left the main black fence in here until they've actually cleared all the plant equipment out, because there's not really much stopping somebody who's intent to steal something, steal one of their plant equipment out of there. There's not a lot of this house fencing they could stop them doing. We have a good pair of bolt croppers. They have it away on their toes with the equipment. Anyway, folks, I'm going to wrap this vlog now, I think. I haven't been down here for a long time. Quite a few changes. I've got through quite a lot here. So yeah, I don't think they'll be much longer here until they're finishing. I can remember standing here in January, right through from the winter, the spring, summer. Now it's the autumn. I stood here 4 seasons in the cold, the rain, the snow, bringing you these videos. And I know, and I hope you do, or know you do, from the viewing figures, from these videos I've been doing here. Incredible. Thank you ever so much. Really appreciate you staying with the demolition all this time. 9 months now is a long time. So yeah. Anyway, I might be back at some point. I might come back in about a month or so and do the last video. You never say never. So anyway, that's enough of me waffling on. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up now. Please like and subscribe if you don't have already. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, folks. Just like, it's not like Netflix or Amazon. What's the other one? Oh, I can't remember now. Anyway, you know what I mean. Completely free to enter. Completely free to subscribe. Please do, tell your friends. I'd love to get to 2,000 subscribers. That'd make my day. Anyway, that's enough for me waffling on. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That corner. Whoever decided to put it in. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks ever so much for watching. I really appreciate it. On this demolition journey, the last 9 months. Been fantastic. I've enjoyed every minute of it. But there's more demolition to come, folks. Obviously for Charles Street and the multi-university. So that in the end of it, the more when the houses start coming down, which I think is a crying shame, don't get me wrong, I'll be there covering that for you right through the winter. Anyway, bye for now. See you next one. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers, bye.